Hello students, I welcome to all of you to this session of fluid mechanics. Dear students, last class we have discussed the orifice and mouthpiece. You know that in fluid mechanics the notch and wire is very important, but before coming to the topic, first of all I would like to say this lecture is basically dedicated for second year mechanical student mainly, but civil engineering student they can also see this lecture, because this notch and wire is also in your fluid mechanics subject. It is dedicated and the lab is also there, so most of the time civil engineering student they are coming to our lab. So for theory point of view you can see this lecture for your reference. Okay, so this lecture is your ME paper code is your ME 303. Total 36 lecture will be delivered. This is me, Dhiraj Mondol, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering Department. My YouTube page DM Study Center, you can subscribe my channel here, and you will be getting all the lecture related to my fluid mechanics, fluid machinery, refrigeration, hydro, wind and wave power, and also some GS paper like your Constitution of India, okay, history and all this you will be getting, okay, and some current affairs. So you can visit, and also and there is some professor Dr. You know that Dr. PK Bardhan, GM Mechanical Engineering Department faculty professor. Okay, he is taking the advanced welding process, that is dedicated for mechanical BTech mechanical fourth year student. Mr. Palaj Vishwas, a reputed faculty of JS College of Engineering, he is taking quality and reliability subject and also material handling subject for final year mechanical students. So you can avail this lecture in this DM study center. Okay, Dr. Jayant Kumar Vishwas, he is also taking some subject related to his subject, that is your solid mechanics is taking. Okay, so you can you can see that lecture also. Okay, next I would like to say any kind of query related to admission, you can call me or you can contact me, WhatsApp me in this number, and you can mail me. This is my mail ID, or you may visit our college. This is JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering is always open for you. You can visit our college, and for admission you can call here also. This is the admission cell. Your your email ID and website of the college, you can inquire any kind of inquiry, you can call me also. So let us start. What is notch? So basically notch is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of a fluid through a small channel or a tank. Basically what happened, then let us consider this is a open this is an open channel, you can see. Now basically notch is a device used for measuring the rate of flow, that means volume flow rate, discharge you can measure, of a liquid which is flowing through a small channel or tank. You can see in this diagram, in this figure. So this is the rectangular notch, and the water is allowed to flow over this notch. Okay, so the water is flowing, and by the help of this your layer of the height of the liquid, you can measure the discharge. Okay, so what I have told you, that a notch is a device used for measuring the rate of flow. Rate of flow means discharge of a liquid through a small channel or a tank. So this is the small channel or a tank, and over which the water is flowing, and we can measure, by the help of this we can measure the discharge or rate of flow. It may be defined as an opening in the side of a tank or a small channel in such a way that the liquid surface in the tank or channel is below the top edge of the opening. So here you can see this is a, if it is, you are seeing the side view, if you are seeing the front view, the shape will be like this. It is a rectangle, na? So shape will be like this, like this, and the water is coming out from here. This is the level of water, so water is coming out from here. Okay, now basically again another definition, it may be defined as the as an opening in the side of a tank or a small channel in such a way that the liquid surface in the tank or channel is below the top edge of the opening. And what is where? So I hope it is clear. মানে ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে একটা ওপেনিং চ্যানেল মতো এরকম আছে, একটা প্লাস্টিকের পাইপ। ওকে, সো একটা প্লাস্টিকের পাইপ যদি তুমি মিডল মানে লংজিটিউডিনাল ডাইরেকশানে, তো মাঝামাঝি জায়গা থেকে যদি তুমি এটাকে ক্রস সেকশানে করো, মনে করো এটা একটা পাইপ, এবার এটাকে কী করলাম, মাঝামাঝি জায়গা থেকে কেটে দিলাম, তাহলে উপরটা ওপেনিং হয়ে গেল। তাহলে নাও হোয়াট উইল বি শেপ, উইল বি সিং দ্যাট দ্য পাইপ ইজ লাইক দিস, লাইক দিস, ইজন্ট ইট? এরকম একটা পাইপ পাবে, তাই না? এরকম একটা পাইপ পাবে তুমি। তো এইখান থেকে ওয়াটারটা ফ্লো হচ্ছে। নাও এইখানে একটা ব্যারিয়ার দিয়ে দিলাম আমি, ব্যারিয়ার দিয়ে দিলাম, আর এখানে একটা রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার শেপ করে দিলাম, আর এর উপর দিয়ে ওয়াটারটা দিস ফ্রম হিয়ার ওয়াটার ইজ অ্যালাউড টু মুভ। বোঝা গেল? So basically what happened, this is the all about the nose, and this from the water sheet we can find out the discharge. Okay, now what is wire? Wire is a concrete or machinery structure. This is a wire. It is a concrete or machinery structure placed in an open channel over which the flow occurs. So basically nose is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of a liquid through a small channel or tank, and wire is a concrete machinery structure placed in an open channel over which the flow occur. মানে এখানে জাস্ট একটা স্ট্রাকচার, যে কোনো জায়গায় ওয়াটার ফ্লো হচ্ছে, হ্যাঁ, ওয়াটার ইজ ফ্লোয়িং ফ্রম দিস ফ্লোর, and suddenly I am just placing a structure, machinery structure, and over which the water is flowing. সো আই হোপ ইট ইজ ক্লিয়ার। এটা একটা কি কংক্রিট মেশিনারি স্ট্রাকচার, একটা ফ্লোরের মাঝে এই যে এখানে কি করলে একটা স্ট্রাকচার তৈরি করে দিলে জাস্ট, এবার একটা ওয়াল মতো, ঠিক আছে? এবার এই ওয়ালের উপর দিয়ে ওয়াটারটা ফ্লো হচ্ছে। তাহলে একটা কংক্রিট স্ট্রাকচার, মেশিনারি স্ট্রাকচার প্লেসড ইন অ্যান ওপেন চ্যানেল, একটা ওপেন চ্যানেল, এটা ওপেন চ্যানেল ওভার হুইচ দ্য ফ্লো অকার্স। ইট ইজ জেনারেলি ইন টার্মস, মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কী হয়, এটা একটা এমন একটা জায়গা, এখানে ব্যারেজে এই সমস্তগুলো কাজে লাগে। ব্যারেজ বা মানে কোথাও একটা ওপেন চ্যানেল আছে, সেখানে তো এরকমভাবে করা যায় না, ভেঞ্চুরিমিটার দিয়ে তুমি করতে পারবে না। তো ইট ইজ জেনারেলি ইন দ্য ফর্ম অফ ভার্টিক্যাল ওয়াল, একটা ভার্টিক্যাল ওয়াল প্রোভাইড করা হয়। মনে করো এটা একটা ভার্টিক্যাল ওয়াল, এরকম একটা ওয়াল আছে, এরকম একটা ওয়াল আছে, ঠিক আছে? ভার্টিক্যাল ওয়াল with a sharp edge at top running all the way across the open channel. Okay, the nose is a small size while the wire is bigger size. এটা একটা চ্যানেল যার মধ্যে দিয়ে ওয়াটারটা যাচ্ছে, আর এটা একটা বড় একটা ফ্লোর স্পেস, সেখান দিয়ে ওয়াটার ফ্লো হচ্ছে, আর এটা সামনে একটা দেয়াল খাড়া করে দিলাম, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে বোঝা গেল, দিস ইজ দ্য অল অ্যাবাউট দ্য ফাংশন অফ নচ অ্যান্ড ওয়্যার, হ্যাঁ, মানে ডেফিনেশন, ঠিক আছে? And the nose basically it is a small size while the wire is bigger size. The nose is generally made of metal plate, হ্যাঁ, নজটা যে মেটাল প্লেট দিয়ে করি, while the wire basically it is made of concrete machinery structure, মানে হচ্ছে ইট পাথর বালি দিয়ে তৈরি করা হয়, বুঝতে পারছো? Now some term you can see here: nape, crest or sill. So these are the term, very important. Nape, Nappe, or it is also called vein. তাহলে এই যে ন্যাপ যেটা বলছি, তাহলে এই ন্যাপটার ডেফিনেশনটা কী হবে? এই যে দেখতে পাচ্ছ, এটা ন্যাপ বা ভেইন বলছে। এটা ডেফিনেশন মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি, এটার মানে কি, হোয়াট ডু মিন বাই ন্যাপ? দ্য শিট অফ ওয়াটার ফ্লোয়িং থ্রু এ নচ, এটা হচ্ছে শিট অফ ওয়াটার। দ্য শিট অফ ওয়াটার ফ্লোয়িং থ্রু এ নচ ওভার এ ওয়্যার ইজ কল্ড ন্যাপ অর ভেইন, AVEIN। তাহলে একটা শিট অফ ওয়াটার তাহলে একটা কি বললাম, শিট অফ ওয়াটার, এই শিট অফ ওয়াটার, এটা হচ্ছে শিট অফ ওয়াটার। নাও শিট অফ ওয়াটার ফ্লোয়িং থ্রু এ নজ অর ওভার এ ভেন, ঠিক আছে, মানে এটা হচ্ছে নজ, ঠিক আছে, ওভার এ ওয়্যার ইজ কল্ড ন্যাপ অর ভেন, মানে এইটা হচ্ছে, মানে ব্যাপারটা বুঝতে পারছো, এই যে ওয়্যার, এটা হচ্ছে ওয়্যার আর এটা হচ্ছে নজ, তাহলে এর উপর দিয়ে একটা শিট অফ ওয়াটার আছে। এই শিট অফ ওয়াটার যেটা ফ্লো করছে ফ্রম কোথা থেকে, নজ থেকে বা ওয়্যার থেকে, এটাকে বলছে ন্যাপ। সিম্পল ভাষায় ন্যাপ ইজ দ্য শিট অফ ওয়াটার হুইচ ইজ ফ্লোয়িং ওভার এ ওয়্যার অর এ নচ। ক্লিয়ার? নাও ক্রিস্ট, দিস ক্রিস্ট মানে হচ্ছে কি, ক্রিস্ট অর সিল। So what do you mean by crest or sill? The bottom edge of a notch, this is the bottom edge of a notch। হ্যাঁ, বটম এজ কেন বলছি দেখো, এরকম ব্যাপারটা, তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে বটম এজ না, তাহলে বটম এজ অফ এ নচ অর এ টপ অফ দ্য ওয়্যার, আর একটা ওয়্যার মানে এটা হচ্ছে টপ পোর্শনটা, তাহলে টপ অফ দ্য ওয়্যার আর বটম এজ অফ দ্য নচ ওভার হুইচ দ্য ওয়াটার ফ্লোস, মানে যার উপর দিয়ে ওয়াটারটা ফ্লো করছে, ইজ নোন অ্যাজ সিল অর ক্রিস্ট। তাহলে এই টার্মগুলো খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, মাথায় রাখবে, এই টার্মগুলোর উপরে বেস করেই কিন্তু নিউমেরিক্যাল সলভ করতে হয়, বুঝে গেল? So I hope it is clear what is crest or sill and what is no nap or vein, ঠিক আছে? Now let us classify what is the classification of the notch. So first of all, notch is classified as according to the shape of the opening. What is the shape of the opening? Rectangular notch হতে পারে এরকম, ঠিক আছে, ট্রায়াঙ্গুলার নচ হতে পারে ঠিক এরকম, ট্রাপিজয়েডাল নচ হতে পারে ঠিক এরকম, ঠিক আছে, এটা হচ্ছে ট্রাপিজয়েডাল নচ। স্টেপ নচ হতে পারে, স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ, এরকম স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ। অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য এফেক্ট অফ দ্য সাইড অন দ্য ন্যাপ, কি এফেক্ট পাচ্ছে, নচ উইথ এন্ড কনসেন্ট্রেশন, end contraction, notch without end contraction or suppressed notch। হ্যাঁ, এবার আমি ওয়্যারের কথা বলি। ওয়্যার আর ক্লাসিফাইড অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য শেপ of opening, the shape of the crest, the effect of the side on the nap and nature discharge the following। দেখো কি বলছে, according to the shape of the opening, rectangular notch, triangular notch and trapezoidal triangular and trapezoidal were according to the shape of the crest, sharp crest were, broad crest were, narrow crest were, ogive shape were, according to the effect of the side of the, you may see that means effect of the side of the emerging nerve। তো এটার মানে emerging nerve, ঠিক আছে, emerging nerve is এটা wire with the concentration a contraction and wire without an end contraction, wire with end contraction and without end contraction। তো মেনলি আমরা এই রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার আর ট্রায়াঙ্গুলটা জানবো, ওটাই হচ্ছে ইম্পর্টেন্ট, বেশি এগুলো এত ডিটেলসে আসে না। তো ইউ জাস্ট সি, this is the head, this is the sheet of the water, rectangular notch or wire, এটা হচ্ছে sheet of the water head, this is the length of the notch or wire। now this is the section, একটা সেকশন নিলাম এখানে, এই রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার নচ, তো এর সেকশন নিলাম আর এখান থেকে ওয়াটার আমি ডিসচার্জটা মেজার করব। ওকে, সো হাউ উই ক্যান ক্যালকুলেট দ্য ডিসচার্জ অফ এ রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার নচ, the discharge of a rectangular notch or wire, how we can calculate the discharge? See here, you need to find out the discharge. Now H is the head of the water over crest, L is the length of the notch. Length of the notch means if it is your front view, then this is the rectangular notch, so this is your L, this is your L, and if it is your sheet of water, then this is your H. Okay, this is your H. Okay. Now if you want to calculate the discharge, you know that small area strip is taken here, so this is your L, this is your DH, small strip is taken na. So this is small strip height is your DH, and this height is your H. So from the upper portion you can see this height is your H and this is your L. So this is your DH. Now how we can calculate the area of the strip? Area of the strip your DA is equal to what? Breadth, that is your length into breadth. So L into DH is the area of the strip. Clear? Now we know that discharge. If you want to calculate the discharge dq in this particular section, the q is equal to area into velocity. Okay, so the q is equal to area into velocity. Clear? Now if you want to calculate the actual discharge, then CD into area into velocity. So basically you know that CD is equal to what? Actual discharge by theoretical discharge. So actual discharge is equal to CD into theoretical discharge. Now theoretical discharge is equal to actual is equal to CD into theoretical discharge is equal to area of the strip. Area of the strip is equal to L into dH into velocity. Velocity means your 2 root over 2gh, you know, because you have it is known in pitot tube also you have seen. Okay, so this is the area into velocity. So dq is equal to CD into L into dH into root over 2gh. Now the limit is what? 0 to h. If you integrate this 0 to h, you will be getting like this. You can see area of the strip L into dH, velocity of the strip root over 2gh, dq is equal to CD into area of the strip into theoretical velocity. So this is your CD into L into dH into root over 2gh. Now if you want to integrate this, you will be getting whole discharge, total discharge, and it is varying from 0 to h, because you know that it is varying from 0 to h. So this is the limit, 0 to h. So what I have done, that particular in this strip, find out the discharge, then total will put the limit, you will be getting total discharge. So ultimately CD root 0 to h, CD L into root over 2g into h. So these are the constant you can see, and only the variable is your head or height, h to the power 1 by 2. So if you are integrating this mass, this equation, you will be getting CD into L into root over 2g, h to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and limit is the 0 to put the limit 2 by 3 CD into L into root over 2g h to the power 3 by 2. This is the answer. So if I ask you that what is the theoretical discharge of the actual discharge of the rectangular nose having a sheet of water is your capital H, and L is the length of the rectangular nose. So actual is equal to 2 by 3 CD into L into root over 2g h to the power 3 by 2. Remember in the lab this L is basically 100 millimeter. Okay, so it is given in the manual. Okay, so only you need to find out the sheet of water. Okay, so that you will be you can find out the discharge. Now based on this theory, let us solve a numerical so that it will be clear. So you can see 8.1, problem number 8.1, you can see this is the problem. 8.2 will be discussing, 8.3 is there. So so let us see what is 8.1. So first of all, go through the problem 8.1. Find the discharge of water flowing through a rectangular nose of 2 meter length when the constant height over the nose is 300 mm. Take CD is equal to 0.6. So what you need to find out? Discharge. So you know that first of all, pause the video and so solve it yourself. otherwise it will be useless. Okay, so and then you will see after the after solving the problem. So L is equal to given 2 meter because length is given, H is given 300 mm, so you need to convert it in terms of meter. CD is given, so discharge formula you know, CD is equal to 2 by 3 CD Q is equal to 2 by 3 CD L into root over 2G into H to the power 3 by 2. Now put all the value, you will be getting 0.8582 meter cube per second. This is your discharge. Next problem number 8.2. Determine the height of a rectangular wire of length 6 meter, okay, to build across a rectangular channel. The maximum depth of water on the upstream side of the wire is 1.8 meter and the discharge is 200 liter per second. Take CD is equal to 0.6 and then neglect the end contraction. So this problem is very important. Here same type of problem, but here it is given like this. This is a rectangular wire. So let us consider this is the wire. Okay, so that determine the, you have to determine the what height of the wire. Now see, if I draw the diagram, if I draw the diagram here, you can see like this. Now the water is flowing over this, full of water it is. Now this is the sheet of water. Now this is the what, head H, and this one is your H1. This is your H1 and this is your H2. Sorry, this is your H2. So H is equal to what? H is equal to H1 minus H1 minus H2, isn't it? Now see, the L is given, L is equal to 6, H1 is given 1.8 meter, discharge given, discharge equal to 200 liter per second, that is your 2 meter cube per second, and CD is also given. So you need to find out the H2. Okay, this H2 you need to find out. Clear? So again write down, go through the problem very fast and see what we need to find out. Determine the height of the rectangular wire of the length 6 meter to build across a rectangular channel. The maximum depth of the water on the upstream side is given 1.8. So 1.8 is given means what? Depth of the water on the upstream side is given, that is your H1 is given. Okay, so again I am drawing this diagram. Basically this is your what, H1 is given, this is your H2, this H2 you need to find out, and this is your H. Okay, now L is given 6 meter, H1 given 1.8 meter, Q given, CD given, you need to find out H2. Now we know that the formula already I mentioned you. Q is equal to this formula, 2 by 3 CD L into root over 2G H to the power 3 by 2. So Q is given, CD is given, L given, root over 2G you can find out is because G is equal to 9.81 and H is equal to what? H is equal to H to the power 3 by 2 is equal to, you will be getting some value. Now H is equal to what? You need to find out H2. H2 is equal to H1 minus H, and H is equal to, I have got some value, in terms of number, and h1 already I have got 1.8, so you can easily find out the h2. Am I right? So let us see the solution. A length is given, h1 given, discharge given, cd given. Now this is your h1, this is your h2, and this is the sheet of water h. You need to find out this h2. So the problem, after going through the problem, we need to know what is asking. Determine the height of the rectangular wire. So this height you need to find out. Of length 6 meter to be built. So here you can see q is equal to this. Put all the value. Q is equal to q, cd, l, and h to the power 3 by 2 is equal to this. So h is equal to this to the power 2 by 3. So 0.328 is the this meter is the height. Say this is your height, that is your nap, sheet of water. So now the height of wire is equal to h2 is equal to h1 minus h1 minus h. So put the value 1.8 minus 0.328. So this is your all about the answer. 1.472 is the correct answer. Clear? So I hope it is clear. This is your very important problem. Now this 8.38 is again a important problem. Let us see what is asking. So 8.3, the head of water over a rectangular notch is 900 mm. Okay, so head of water over rectangular notch is 900. The discharge is given 300 liter per second. Find the length of the notch when CD is equal to this 0.62. So you have to calculate the length. So you know again same formula, Q is equal to 2 by 3 CD L root over 2g h to the power 3 by 2. So all the value discharge is given. So only you need to find out L. So put all the value. So I hope you can solve this problem. So first of all, pause the video and solve the problem, and then see the solution. So let us discuss. I hope it is clear. So the AC is given 90 centimeter, isn't it? So 9.9 meter. Discharge is given 300 liter per second. So remember, if you want to convert in liter per second, that is your cubic cc per cubic centimeter per second. This, if you want to convert in terms of meter cube per second, then simply divide by 1000. So you will be getting 0.3 meter cube per second. CD is equal to 0.62. Length of the notch is given and not given. You need to find out L. So this formula already I have mentioned this formula in theory. CD Q is equal to 2 by 3 CD into L into root over 2g into h to the power 3 by 2. Now you can see h to the power 3 by 2. Now here put the value of Q here, put the value of CD, put the value of L, G and H. You will be getting the L into L only. L is unknown here. So 0.198 meter or 192 millimeter is the correct answer. This is the length of the length of the notch. That means this is a rectangular notch, front view, and this is the length. So this length you have calculated 192 mm. So this is how this lecture will be end, and here basically this next class will be discussing discharge over a triangular notch or wire. So very important, and already 16 lecture has been uploaded in my YouTube channel DM Study Center. Okay, so please visit my channel DM Study Center. If you haven't seen the lecture, please see the lecture and then complete this lecture. Okay, so after completion, write down done, sir. Okay, after completion of the every lecture, you can write down done, sir, so that you will be getting some marks. That means that is your attendance, you can say also, that you have completed. And you can ask me any kind of doubt. You can ask me. This is my contact number, and some doubt clearing session will be taken according to your doubts in every module. After finishing every module, you can ask me some doubt, or every class even. Okay, so this is all about the end of the video. Next class we will be discussing the triangular notch, and admission is open in JS College of Admission 2020 is open is JS College of Engineering. Contact this number. This is the admission cell website, email ID and website. Visit our college. In case if you want to see the lab facilities in mechanical engineering department, so visit our college, always welcome. You can contact me here also. Okay, so thank you for listening today up to this. Thank